How to fix KB5040529 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2. Hello dear friends. KB5040529 brings several features to Windows 11 24H2. But you may not be able to install it. You may get an error code when installing the update. Follow the steps to solve it. Method 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Select System. Scroll down. Click on Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. This is Windows Update. Click on Run. The result is the troubleshooter made some changes to your system. Try attempting the task you were trying to do before. Close the troubleshooter. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If any update is downloaded, restart your computer. Method 2. Use a standalone file. Launch a browser. This link is given in description. Find the file compatible with your laptop or PC. Here are two files, ARM64 and X64. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Go to System. Go to the bottom and click on About. Check the system type. X64 based processor. This file. Click on Download. Click on this link. Once the file is downloaded, click on File Explorer icon. Go to Downloads. Right click on the downloaded file. Select Open. Preparing for installation. Searching for updates on this computer. The system will restart a couple of times and install the update. Method 3. Reset Windows Update Cache. Click on Search. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Type net staff WUAUSERV and press Enter. In the same way, run all these commands. These commands are given in the description area of this video. In the end, restart your PC. Method 4. Run SFC and DISM tools. Again click on Start. Again type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Type SFC space scan now. Press Enter. Let the command execute completely Then run the DISM commands. DISM commands are written in description of this video. At last, restart your computer and then go to settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on check for updates. Method 5. In place upgrade. Open a browser. Type Windows 11 download. And press enter. Click on download Windows 11 Microsoft.com. Scroll down to download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Click on select download. Select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO. Click on download. Click on choose one. Select a language. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. After the file is downloaded, right click on this file and select mount. From the coming folder, double click on setup.exe. Follow the instructions on the wizard and complete installing. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.